Hello. It is truly great to have you here with me today. I see many men in my office in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who come to me with a very specific frustration. They tell me, "Doctor, I can have a good night," but it seems like after that first moment, once I reach the peak and ejaculate, the lights just go out. The body shuts down, exhaustion takes over, and the desire simply evaporates. I want to keep going. I want to perform in a second act, but it feels like my body no longer obeys me. It is like hitting a wall. Maybe you feel this too, and maybe you are thinking, "Doctor, isn't this just old age? Isn't this normal for someone over 50? I hear that question all the time. The short answer is no. It does not have to be that way. What is happening to you is not a final sentence that your body has stopped working. What is happening is a biological process we call the refractory period. Think of your body like a classic car engine. After a long trip at high speeds, the engine gets hot. It needs time to sit and cool down before it can get back on the road. In younger men, this engine cools down in 5 or 10 minutes. As the years go by, that cooling process can take hours or sometimes until the next day. But here is what no one tells you. That waiting time does not just increase because of age. It increases because the engine is dirty, the oil is old, and the gears are inflamed. Many men believe they lack the will, but in reality, they lack what I call a prepared biological terrain. If your blood does not flow as it should and your hormones are out of balance, your brain intelligently sends a signal to shut everything down to save energy. It thinks the job is done. But what if I told you there is something simple, probably already in your kitchen right now, that can help clean that engine and shorten that waiting time? I am talking about extra virgin olive oil. Now I know what you're thinking. Olive oil? I use that on my salad every day. How is that going to help me have a second act? I understand your doubt, but the issue is not just eating olive oil. It is how, when, and why. Let's dive into the science of this in a very simple way. Imagine the blood vessels down there like garden hoses. Over time, because of poor diet, stress, and silent inflammation, those hoses become stiff, like they have been dried out by the sun. When you need blood to rush through them for a second erection after the first orgasm, those hoses cannot expand. They are stuck. High-quality olive oil works like a conditioner for those hoses. It contains powerful substances that restore elasticity to your blood vessels. But this is not a magic effect that happens overnight. It is a treatment for your internal environment. When you start using olive oil the way I'm going to teach you, you are reducing the inflammation that blocks your sexual response. But why at night? I insist on the nighttime for a very specific reason. Think of your sleep as the time when the maintenance crew enters the factory to fix the machines. It is during deep sleep that your body produces testosterone, the hormone that drives your desire and your power. It is also when the nervous system calms down and tissues recover. If you provide the right fat, which is the foundation for hormone production, exactly when the maintenance crew is working, the result is much better. That is why I recommend 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil about 30 minutes before bed. You are giving the right raw material at the exact time of production. Do you see the logic behind it? Now, you might be thinking that the taste of pure olive oil at night is not very pleasant. You might wonder if you should mix it with something. This is where the secret of my patients with the best results comes in. You can boost this effect. You know that garlic you use for seasoning? It is one of the greatest allies for human circulation that nature ever created. Garlic helps relax the walls of the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow with less resistance. If you crush a small clove of garlic, mix it with that spoonful of olive oil, and swallow it like a health shot, You are creating a powerful circulation tonic. And listen, you don't need to chew the garlic if you do not want strong breath. You can chop it very small and swallow it right down. And what about lemon? A few drops of lemon in the olive oil make a huge difference. Why? Because lemon helps your liver work better. You might ask what your liver has to do with your performance in bed. Everything. The liver is the great conductor of your hormonal balance. If your liver is overloaded, your energy drops drastically after ejaculation. A clean liver means a much faster recovery. It is like you are cleaning the filters of your system. Many men ask me, if they do this tonight, will they be able to go again immediately? I have to be honest with you. That is not how biology works. If someone promises you a 24-hour miracle with a food item, be suspicious. What we are doing here is a renovation of your body's structure. In the first few days, you might not feel a massive change in firmness, but you will notice something different in your energy. That feeling of being hit by a truck after you finish begins to fade. You feel more present, more awake. Your mind does not shut off immediately. That is the first sign that the inflammation is subsiding. By the second or third week of consistent use, the blood vessels are already more elastic. That is when the magic happens. The refractory period, that forced waiting time, begins to shorten naturally. You will notice that after a few minutes of affection and conversation with your partner, the body starts to show signs that it can get back in the game. The desire does not vanish completely. Can you see how this changes the emotional game? Think about it. The biggest cause of failure in the second act is the fear of failing. A man enters the room already thinking, will I be able to do it again, or will I shut down right after? This fear creates adrenaline, and adrenaline is poison for an erection. It closes the blood vessels instantly. When you prepare your body physically with the olive oil routine, your mind starts to gain confidence. You know your engine is well maintained. And when the mind relaxes, the body responds much more easily. It is a positive cycle. Less inflammation, better circulation, more confidence, and consequently, better performance. But stay alert, because I need to give you an important warning. Many men start taking olive oil and think it gives them a license to keep other habits that destroy performance, like that heavy meal full of bad fats and sugar right before bed, or excessive alcohol at night. That is like trying to mop the floor while someone is throwing mud behind you. Excess alcohol inflames the body and crashes testosterone production during the night. If you want to see the real results of the olive oil, you need to help your body too. Olive oil is not a magic pill to make up for a life of abuse. It is an optimization tool for a man who has decided to take care of himself. Another common question is if you can use any olive oil. No, absolutely not. If you use that oil in a plastic bottle that has been sitting on a supermarket shelf under bright lights all day and costs very little, you might be ingesting oxidized oil. Instead of reducing inflammation, you will cause more. The oil must be extra virgin, preferably in a dark glass bottle with low acidity, less than 0.5%. This is an investment in your health, not an expense. Think of the olive oil as the high-performance oil you put in your car. You would not put cheap cooking oil in a Ferrari engine, would you? Your body is the most precious vehicle you own. Treat it with dignity. I want you to understand that continuing after you finish is not about fancy tricks or acrobatic positions. It is about vitality. It is about having a nervous system that does not collapse after pleasure. It is about having arteries that understand the brain's command to fill with blood once again. When a man passes 50, society tries to convince us to accept the decline, that it's normal to feel extreme fatigue, that it's normal to lose firmness, that it's normal for sex to be something quick and without continuity. I'm here to tell you that this is a lie. What is normal is a well-nourished body functioning well. What is normal is for circulation to flow. By adopting this simple practice of the spoonful of olive oil at night, you are sending a message to your body. I'm still here. I still take care of myself, and I want you to function at your peak. And the body responds. It is very generous when it receives what it needs. With time, this routine stops being something you do for sex and starts being something you do for your life. You will notice you wake up with more energy. Your mind feels clearer, and even your skin improves. But of course, the benefit in the bedroom is what brings the smile back to many men's faces. Many patients tell me their partners notice the difference. It is not just the physical firmness, it is the presence. A man who does not feel exhausted can give attention, can maintain eye contact, and can make the moment last and be special for both. Sex stops being a race to the finish and becomes a journey of connection that can have several peaks. Can you imagine yourself like that? Without the pressure of knowing the clock is ticking and that as soon as the orgasm arrives, the party is over? Imagine the freedom of knowing your body is capable of more. That freedom is priceless. So my invitation to you today is this: start tonight. Do not wait for Monday. Do not wait for next month. Take that bottle of good olive oil you have in the kitchen or buy a quality one today. Set aside a moment for yourself before you go to sleep. Turn it into a self-care ritual. Taste the oil. Know that every molecule in there is working to relax your vessels, balance your hormones, and give you back the security that time seemed to take away. Remember, consistency is your greatest ally. One day does not fix months of neglect, but 30 days of constant care can transform the next 30 years of your intimate life. Do not demand immediate results on the first night. Watch for the signs. Has that morning wood that had disappeared come back? Do you feel that the fatigue after sex has decreased by 10%? Great. Celebrate those small victories. They are proof that your internal terrain is changing. Aging is inevitable, but the decline of masculinity and power is something we have much more control over than we are told. And that control starts with simple decisions, like what you put into your body before you turn out the lights. I truly hope this information gives you not just knowledge, but hope and action. You deserve to live your sexuality fully in every stage of life. Do not let myths about age steal the pleasure of being present, confident, and capable of performing in the second, third, or however many acts your heart desires. Take care of yourself, be consistent, and respect your own rhythm. Your body knows what to do. It just needs you to give it the right tools. And olive oil, this liquid gold, is one of the best tools you can offer. I am here rooting for your success and your health. Because a man who feels powerful and secure is a man who lives better in every area of life. Start your olive oil shot tonight and prepare your body for what is to come. You are going to be surprised by what it is still capable of doing.